The bonus website I'm going to talk about today is called Inbox Dollars. You can visit www.inboxdollars.com. It says be rewarded for taking surveys, shopping cash and offer, then playing games. How it works, he said brand pays us for consumer input. We recruit members like you. Look at it. Paid service, cashback, shopping, trying new apps, exploring new products and services, playing games and more. You earn real cash, not points. That is that. How it works, how you earn free cash. It says take paid online surveys. Most online surveys for money pay from 50 cents to $5 and take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to complete. There are some online surveys that pay $10, $20, even more. If you match the demographic profile they are looking for, taking branded surveys for money is a fun and popular way to earn. Who doesn't want to earn survey money for their opinion? I think I want to earn. Get paid to read emails. Receive our best offer directly to your email and we'll pay you cash just for reading them or complete the offer for additional earning opportunity. It's quick and easy to get paid for doing what you are already doing online, and don't worry, we won't flood your inbox. Get rewarded for playing games. We feature a wide array of our own games like Monkey Bubble, Shooter, Mahjong, Solitaire, Outspare, and Candy Jam. In addition, we partner with GSN Casino to offer you access to 100 of GSN games. For every dollar you spend on GSN game, you earn 18% cash back with Inbox Dollars. This is great. Grocery cash. Earn cash for grocery shopping. Get access to great cashback deals for purchasing your favorite supermarket products and earn money for scanning your receipt or trying featured deals. Wow. Cashback for online shopping. Earn cashback while you shop online. Get free samples and discounts from top brands and more. We'll also share with you our insider saving tips on where to find the best free stuff online. New offer posted regularly for members to save and earn. This is amazing. Over 80 million in cash rewards paid. These are the reviews. On Trustpilot, it has 4-star rating. About 32,871 reviews so far. This person has given a 5-star rating. This person says thank you and gives a 5-star rating. This person also has given a 5-star rating. Partners. These are their partners. These are the people who you'll be doing survey for, watching their videos, doing survey, taking surveys, and giving your opinion about their product. So this is it. It says Inbox makes it easy. Inbox Dollars make it simple to earn money online. Since year 2000, Inbox Dollars have paid over 80 million in cash reward to members, okay, for doing everyday online activities like reading emails, taking paid surveys, or playing games. So that is that to this. All you just need to do is you get an instant $5 sign up bonus today, and all you need to cash out is just $10. So come over to this place. If you can sign through, it says free $5. You can enter your email, password, then you will enter your password to confirm it, agree to the terms of use and privacy, then you just sign up. That is that to Inbox Dollar. The next site we are moving on to is called superpay.me. Our next bonus website is called superpay.me. Okay, it said make money online with the fastest paying service sites. Okay, cash out from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and earn gift card. Take pay surveys and offer money. Okay, this is it. So it has about 3,324 reviews on Trustpilot. That is massive. Our members have cashed out over $5 million using Amazon, Wise, PayPal, and Skrill. Make money. It says make money by completing quick survey, offer, trials, games, video, and more. Then fast payment. Get paid the same day thanks to our 8-hour payment promise. Cash out via PayPal for as little as $1. Alternatively, you use one of our e-gift card options. Okay, so we have the top benefits: regular $1,000 cash out contest. So it is free to join and you receive a sign-up bonus as soon as you set up your account. work from home, and access thousands of our new surveys daily. So safe and secure. Superpay.me is a safe and secure We send thousands of payments daily, and we'll never share your information without your consent. So they've paid over $5 million so far. So join them making money online. So this is what their member have to say about superpay.me. It has about 4.7 over 5 in the rating stuff. So these are the people they work with. These are the people that they partner with. Your surveys, CPX Research, Dynata, Lucid, and all of that. So for you to have a better experience of superpay.me on how to earn big money, please, you can watch this YouTube video here for you to have a better understanding. This is how this some tips on how to go about it. So that is that to superpay.me. If you want to join, just come over to this place, then you click on join today. So that is that to superpay.me. If you like this video, please, I want you to comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are from Nigeria and you cannot access these two sites, please, you can use your VPN. And if you have friends abroad in the USA and all of that, please try to encourage them to use superpay.me and inbox dollar to earn extra bucks. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to learn how to play keyboard, you can subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel down below. And for superpay.me, my referral link is down below too. Thank you. See you in the next video.